Hi, my name is Robert. This video is designed to give you step-by-step detailed instructions on completing the task at hand. Please read the comments in the About section of this video. It has valuable information and updates. My YouTube channel has a disclaimer video that I encourage you to watch. And please like, share, and subscribe. I hope you found what you're looking for. Thank you very much for watching. In this video, I'm going to take this door panel off Volvo S80. First thing I did was open up the door. Come in here. There's a trim piece right here. Looks like it's got a spot in the middle of it that you could pry this way. There's 2 screws under there, so I'm gonna take those 2 screws out. Next thing I did was pry it around the door panel, knock the trim pieces loose, and try to lift the panel up and away from the door. It's got a plug here, cable hooked up there, and another blue plug here. I'm gonna pull these loose without damaging anything. Then I'm gonna get up top, see what I need to do up there. I got these plugs unplugged. The door panel just fell away, but here, this is kind of latched in here. You gotta pry these open, I think, to get this cable out of here. Yep. If you're not holding it, it will fall down. If you feel that this information was useful, please like it and share it with your social media friends. You can subscribe to my channel so that you will get notifications of future videos that I post. You can follow me on Twitter, and if you need to contact me directly, please visit my website. And if you have any questions, leave them below, and someone or myself will reply to them. Again, thank you very much for watching.